Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to view blocked users in the Spotify app. First we have to open up the app, and here it opens up in the home menu. From here we just go into the top left corner and tap on the profile icon. Then we tap on settings and privacy, and then we tap on privacy and social. And here we have under profile visibility, blocked users. We can tap on this, and here we can view the list of people that we have blocked from viewing our profile. And yeah, that's basically the place where you find people that you have blocked, and you can take back the blocking, as in negate it. I don't know how to say it, but whatever. I think you understand. That's basically it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you guys, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.